Hey guys, this is lesson 2, variables and variable types. First, let's talk about what is a variable. A variable is a memory location to store some kind of value. Let's talk about variable types now. There's a lot of types, but I'm gonna talk about some, like integers, float, string, and list. Every variable has name and a value assigned to its name. Let's dirty our hands with examples of what we discussed. Integers are numbers like this. So age equals 11 and then print age. If we put quotes around it, it will print age, but if we just write it normally, it will print the value. See, if you put the cursor on it, it's an integer also. So now let's print it. See, right here, it printed 11. Okay, now let's move on. Floats. Floats are also numbers, but with decimal points like this. Oops. 4 equals 12.3. Like that. This is a float. See, and it says it right here. It's a float. Okay, now let's print it. Print. Now let's print. Okay, see, now here it printed. See, you can see 12.3, that's float. Okay, now let's move on to strings. Strings are defined either with a single quote or a double quote, like this. So, string 1 equals hello. So let me write single quotes and write hello. Okay, now let's enter string 2. Equals world. Now let's write double quotes. Okay, now let's print it. So print string 1. Now let's print string 2. Okay, now let's run it and see if it prints. See, now it printed hello world like we said to print it. It printed here hello world. See? Okay, now let's move on to list. A list is a collection of variables. They can contain any type, as many variables as you wish. List can allow duplicate members also, like this. Like we can make a list now, like fruit equals apple, orange, Let's do grape, cherry, cherry. Okay, this is enough for a list. Now, we need to put brackets. And like, see, it shows it's a list right here, see? Now let's print it. So, print. Okay. Okay guys, this is the end of the session of lesson 2. Hope you learned variables and variable types. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!